Did you know that reggae music, synonymous with Jamaica, has deep roots in Irish folk music? This fascinating connection is more than just a musical coincidence. It is a testament to the rich tapestry of cultural exchange that has shaped both nations over centuries. This surprising link hints at a complex and intertwined history between Ireland and Jamaica, two island nations separated by the vast Atlantic Ocean. Despite the physical distance, their histories are deeply connected through a series of events that have left an indelible mark on their cultural landscapes. Though seemingly worlds apart, their stories intertwine through colonization, migration, and cultural exchange, creating a unique bond that continues to resonate today. The British colonial era played a significant role in this connection, as both Ireland and Jamaica were under British rule, leading to a flow of people, ideas, and traditions between the two islands. This essay delves into the shared history of Ireland and Jamaica, exploring how their paths crossed and diverged, leaving an indelible mark on both cultures. From the migration of Irish workers to Jamaica to the influence of Irish music on Jamaican reggae, the cultural exchange has been profound and multifaceted. We will uncover the historical forces that brought these nations together, the struggles and triumphs they faced, and the lasting legacy of their shared past. By examining the historical documents, personal stories, and cultural artifacts, we aim to shed light on the enduring connection between the Emerald Isle and the land of wood and water. This journey through history will reveal how the blending of Irish and Jamaican cultures has created a unique and vibrant heritage that continues to influence both nations to this day. The story begins in the 17th century, during the peak of European colonialism. It was a time when European powers were expanding their territories across the globe, driven by the desire for wealth, resources, and strategic advantage. England, driven by imperial ambitions, laid claim to both Ireland and Jamaica. These two islands, though separated by thousands of miles, became integral parts of the British Empire. This shared experience of colonization under British rule forms the foundation of the Irish-Jamaican connection. Both nations endured the imposition of foreign rule, the suppression of their cultures, and the exploitation of their lands and people. The English saw both islands as sources of wealth and resources, exploiting their land and people for economic gain. In Ireland, this meant the seizure of land and the imposition of harsh economic policies. In Jamaica, it involved the establishment of plantations and the brutal system of slavery. This shared history of oppression and resistance created a sense of solidarity between the Irish and Jamaicans, albeit across thousands of miles of ocean. Both peoples fought against their oppressors, and in doing so, they found common ground. This connection would later manifest in cultural exchanges and mutual support in their respective struggles for independence and self-determination. The colonization of Ireland by England led to the displacement and dispossession of countless Irish people. Many were forced to flee their homeland, seeking refuge and opportunity in distant lands. Jamaica, with its burgeoning sugar plantations, became a destination for many Irish migrants. These early Irish settlers arrived in Jamaica under various circumstances. Some came voluntarily, lured by promises of land and prosperity. Others were forcibly transported as indentured servants, their labor exploited to fuel the growing sugar industry. The Irish and African populations in Jamaica found themselves thrust together under the brutal system of indentured servitude and later slavery. Both groups endured harsh working conditions, limited rights, and the constant threat of violence. This shared experience of oppression fostered a sense of kinship between the Irish and African populations. They worked side by side in the fields, endured the same cruelties, and in some cases even intermarried, further blurring the lines between the two groups. Cultural fusion, from language to music. As the Irish and African communities interacted, their cultures began to blend, creating a unique hybrid identity. Traces of Irish influence can be found in Jamaican language, music, and folklore. Irish words and phrases were incorporated into the Jamaican patois, while traditional Irish musical styles influenced the development of mento, a precursor to ska and reggae. This cultural fusion is a testament to the enduring legacy of the Irish presence in Jamaica. Rebellion and resistance, a shared fight for freedom. The shared experience of oppression also ignited a spirit of rebellion in both the Irish and African populations. They resisted their subjugation through various means, from covert acts of sabotage to open revolts. The Irish, with their history of resistance against English rule, played a significant role in many uprisings. Their knowledge of guerrilla warfare and their unwavering determination inspired and emboldened their African counterparts. The legacy of Cudjoe, a symbol of Irish-Jamaican unity. This unique connection between two seemingly distant cultures is embodied in the life and legacy of Cudjoe. One of the most prominent figures embodying the Irish-Jamaican connection is Cudjoe, a man whose life story is a testament to the resilience and unity of diverse heritages. Cudjoe was a legendary leader of the Jamaican Maroons, a group of escaped slaves who fought fiercely for their freedom and independence. The Maroons were communities of escaped slaves who established independent settlements in the mountainous interior of Jamaica. These settlements were often hidden deep within the Blue Mountains, providing a natural fortress against colonial forces. Cudjoe, believed to be of mixed Irish and African ancestry, played a crucial role in leading these communities. His mixed heritage symbolized the blending of cultures and the strength that comes from unity. Cudjoe led the Leeward Maroons in a protracted war against the British, demonstrating exceptional strategic brilliance and unwavering determination. His leadership was instrumental in the Maroons' ability to resist British control. His strategic brilliance and unwavering determination earned him the respect of both the Maroons and the British. Cudjoe's ability to outmaneuver and outthink the British forces made him a legendary figure in Jamaican history. Eventually, his efforts culminated in a peace treaty with the British, acknowledging Maroon autonomy. This treaty was a significant milestone, not just for the Maroons, but also as a symbol of the enduring spirit of resistance and the power of unity across different cultures. Despite the passage of time, the legacy of the Irish-Jamaican connection is still visible today. From surnames like Murphy and Collins, to the lively spirit of Jamaican music, traces of Irish influence can be found throughout Jamaican society. The shared history of struggle and resilience forged a bond between these two cultures, creating a unique and vibrant tapestry that continues to evolve. Understanding this complex history is crucial to appreciating the richness and diversity of both Irish and Jamaican identities. Recognizing the Irish-Jamaican connection is not merely an exercise in historical curiosity, it offers valuable insights into the complexities of identity, the lasting impact of colonialism, and the power of cultural exchange. By acknowledging the shared struggles and triumphs of different cultures, we foster a deeper understanding of our interconnected world. This understanding is crucial for building bridges of empathy and dismantling the walls of prejudice. The Irish-Jamaican connection, like any historical narrative, is not without its complexities and nuances. It's crucial to acknowledge that while both groups faced oppression, their experiences differed significantly. The Irish, despite their hardships, benefited from white privilege within the colonial system, a privilege denied to Africans. Recognizing these power dynamics is essential for a nuanced and accurate understanding of the past. The story of the Irish-Jamaican connection is a testament to the interconnectedness of human history. It's a story of migration, cultural exchange, resilience, and the enduring power of the human spirit. As we delve deeper into this fascinating history, we uncover a rich tapestry of shared experiences, cultural fusion, and the enduring legacy of two seemingly disparate cultures. For those interested in exploring this topic further, numerous resources are available online and in libraries. Books, documentaries, and academic articles provide deeper insights into the historical context, cultural exchanges, and personal stories that shaped the Irish-Jamaican connection. By engaging with these resources, we can continue to unravel the complexities of this fascinating historical bond and gain a richer understanding of the interconnectedness of our world.